Imagine standing at the very edge of the biggest mystery in the whole universe, the beginning of everything. Scientists call this earliest time the Planck epoch, and it's a part of history that puzzles even the smartest people on Earth. Let's pretend we could turn back the clock to the moment the universe began, just after the Big Bang, in a time that's so incredibly tiny, just 1 trillionth of a second after everything started. The universe was packed into a space smaller than anything you can imagine. This was the Planck epoch. Now let's make this even more fun. Imagine if all the energy and all the stuff that would someday make the stars, planets, and you and me were scrunched down into something smaller than a single atom. That's how small things were in the Planck epoch. The universe was blazing hot and unbelievably dense, so squished and wild that our normal ideas about physics, like gravity and atoms, didn't work the way they do today. Usually, scientists use equations from physics to understand how the universe works. These equations help us explain why planets move, why apples fall, and how light travels. But when we reach the Planck epoch, even our best equations stop working. It's like having a super complicated puzzle where all the pieces are missing. The Planck time, about 0.000000000000000000000000000000000001 seconds after the Big Bang, marks the limit of our scientific knowledge so far. Why can't we understand what happened then? Our universe follows two main sets of rules: the big rules of gravity by Einstein, and the tiny rules of quantum mechanics that explain things smaller than atoms. But in the Planck epoch, everything was so small and so dense, these two rulebooks start to argue with each other. And no one has written the new super rulebook yet. Scientists hope that one day a theory of quantum gravity might explain this mysterious time. So, what do we know about the Planck epoch? The truth is, not much, at least not yet. We know it was the very beginning, and that the laws of nature as we know them were about to turn on. It's the ultimate scientific once upon a time. The very first chapter is still missing. Maybe someday, you could be the scientist who helps solve the puzzle of the Planck epoch and writes the next chapter in the story of the universe.